A look out there today. We are just beautiful right now. We haven't gotten any rain, but at least we've seen some pretty cloud formations. Today, notice all the clouds are high, right? When you start getting high-level moisture come in, you can get contrails forming when jet aircraft fly, and the ice crystals there at that high-level moisture because of the jet exhaust turn into, well, basically clouds. We call them contrails. And you might have noticed these last night at sunset. I did, but we got a beautiful picture from the Lake LBJ area. Don Reese sent this to us. Those contrails at sunset can really be spectacular, and they were last night. And now today, with that high-level moisture in place, it was so uniform that we saw a halo around the sun. Many of you sent us photographs of these this afternoon. In fact, that's got a little contrail with it, a halo and a contrail from Emily Layton. Thank you for sending that picture, Emily. Jeff sent this one, the halo visible there on your left. And one more look at the halo around the sun. Kim McKay, thank you for sending that in to us. It's real easy for you to do, by the way. If you have our Austin News app, I mean, it is one button on your smartphone to take a picture and then one button to send it to us. We really appreciate it when you do that. There are those high clouds in the sky again right now. We're at 80 degrees. At 8 o'clock tonight, 72 and 63 at 10 p.m. So another just a spectacular evening in the forecast here around Central Texas. In fact, as spring evenings go, it doesn't get a whole lot better than this. Right now, temperatures upper 70s to right around 80 degrees. But again, when the sun gets a little lower in the sky, the air is so dry that the evening hours will be just fantastic. There's that dry air. 16% relative humidity right now. We don't see that very often in May. 80 in the city and 79 degrees out at the airport. Winds are south at 8 in town. At the airport, southeasterly at 12. Sunsets at 8:11 tonight. In our pollen count today, mold was high, over 3,000, pretty high. Pecan, 17 low. Birch, little birch pollen, little grass pollen out there, all at low levels. 70s to near 80 degrees in most areas around Texas right now. A very pleasant day. There you see that high-level moisture that's been soaring across the sky today here in Central Texas, but unfortunately, these are not rain clouds, and that is what we need, but we don't have that coming. Future clouds and radar taking us through tomorrow. In the morning, we've been saying chilly the last couple of mornings. In the morning, let's call it cool instead of chilly, as the temperatures will begin trending up now that our winds have gone southerly, and then warmer tomorrow afternoon than today, then warmer than that the day after that, and then warmer than that the day after that. You'll see all of that in the 7-day forecast coming up. Here are the lows tonight. Now, this morning we had some rural locations in the 30s. We won't see too many locations below the mid-40s tonight. In fact, many of us not even below 50 degrees. How much do we warm up tomorrow? At least the low to mid-80s. I think maybe even a degree or two warmer than these numbers in some locations. Tonight we'll see some late-night clouds, 54 to the low with southeast winds at 5 to 10. Let's go 85 tomorrow. Those southeast winds continuing at 5 to 10. And we'll still have mainly some high cloud cover in the sky. On the 7-day forecast, well, here's that warming trend I told you about. By Friday and Saturday mornings, we've got the humidity in the morning creating low clouds. 88 Friday afternoon, 90, back to 90 on Saturday, back to 92 on Sunday. And, you know, we could have justified maybe a slight chance of a shower in the forecast for next Wednesday, but the way things have gone lately, why bother, right?
Unfortunately.